Tonight I'm reading from First James. I can remember that I didn't like the book of James because it was just too hard. It was, saying, you know, do not merely listen to the word and so deceive yourself, do what it says. And it was hard. It used to be hard for me to read that when I first started, but I want to read from James tonight because he's talking about wisdom, and I need wisdom. My job ends in 2 weeks. I need wisdom. I don't know what the next steps are. I need wisdom. People are going through trials and tribulations. We all need wisdom. So anyway, in First James chapter 2, it says, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith develops perseverance. Perseverance must finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything." And then it says, if any of you lacks wisdom, he should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to him. But when he asks, he must believe and not doubt, because he who doubts is like a wave of the sea, blown and tossed by the wind. That man should not think that he will receive anything from the Lord. He is a double-minded man, unstable in all he does. So there's two parts to this. Everyone is experiencing facing trials these days. The Lord says, consider it pure joy, because the trials are building us, developing us, perseverance. You don't have to persevere through something that feels good. When you're asked to persevere and endure, it's typically something that doesn't feel good and that you don't want to do. So perseverance must finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, lacking nothing. And then, asking for wisdom. If you don't know, ask for wisdom. The Bible tells us right here, if any of you lacks, and this is chapter 5, 1 James chapter 5. If any of you lacks wisdom, he should ask God. And God gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to him. But just remember, when you ask, believe and not doubt that you're going to receive the wisdom. So, yeah, I wanted to share that with you tonight. Good night.